In the intricate web of modern infrastructure, the linesman stands as a critical figure, ensuring the flow of electricity and communication keeps society running. This role demands physical skill, technical know-how, and a fearless approach to heights and hazards. The job description of a linesman centers on maintaining and repairing the lines that power homes, businesses, and networks. Let's explore what this position entails, the skills it requires, and why it's a vital thread in our daily lives. What does a linesman do? A linesman, often called a line worker or lineman, installs, repairs, and maintains overhead and underground power lines, telephone cables, or fiber optics. They climb poles, operate bucket trucks, and brave the elements to keep electricity flowing or communication intact. Whether restoring power after a storm or wiring a new neighborhood, their work keeps the grid alive and connected. Picture them as the troubleshooters of the sky, perched high or digging deep. They fix what's broken and build what's needed. They're the unseen hands that light our homes and link our calls, often working under pressure to restore normalcy. Core responsibilities and focus. The job description of a linesman adapts to the type of lines, electric, telecom, or both, but revolves around key tasks. Here's what they typically handle. 1. Installation. They string new lines, set poles, and connect transformers or cables, bringing power or signals to fresh sites. 2. Maintenance. Inspecting lines for wear, replacing frayed wires, or trimming trees near cables. They prevent outages before they start. 3. Repairs. When storms snap lines or equipment fails, they diagnose issues, often in harsh weather, and restore service fast. 4. Safety checks. Testing voltage, grounding systems, or securing loose hardware. They ensure the grid's safe for them and us. 5. Equipment handling. Operating cranes, drills, or bucket lifts. They wield tools to tackle high or hard-to-reach jobs. These duties cast the linesman as a hands-on problem solver, blending strength with precision to keep systems humming. Skills that define the role. To thrive as a linesman, certain traits are essential. Physical fitness is non-negotiable. Climbing 40-foot poles, hauling 50-pound gear, or standing in a bucket truck takes endurance and agility. Technical skill follows. Understanding circuits, reading blueprints, or troubleshooting faults demands sharp know-how. Safety awareness is critical. Working with live wires or at heights means zero room for error. Teamwork shines, too. Linesmen often pair up for big jobs, relying on each other to hoist or spot. Resilience seals it. Rain, wind, or midnight callouts test their grit daily. A day in the life of a linesman. Let's shadow Jamal, a linesman for a regional power company. His day starts at 7 a.m. with a crew briefing. Today's a mix of maintenance and a new hookup. By 8, he's in a bucket truck, checking the sagging line. He tightens it, spotting a worn insulator to swap later. At 10, a storm report rolls in. Power's out downtown. Jamal grabs his harness, climbs a pole, and splices a snapped wire, restoring lights by noon. Afternoon shifts to a subdivision. He digs a trench, lays underground cable, and tests the connection for a new home. At 3 p.m., he trims branches near a high-voltage line, dodging sparks. By 5, he's back at base, logging the day's fixes, ready for tomorrow's calls. Challenges and rewards. The role's no picnic. Danger lurks. Electrocution, falls, or weather extremes keep linesmen on edge. Long hours hit hard. Jamal's storm repairs stretched past dusk. Physical wear, aching backs or blistered hands, is par for the course. Isolation can creep in, too, working remote sites or odd shifts. But the payoffs spark pride. Restoring power to a blackout-hit town feels heroic. Jamal's downtown fix lit up homes. The pay's solid, often with overtime, and the outdoor gig beats a desk. Mastery grows fast. Every pole climbed builds skills for life. Why linesmen matter. Linesmen are the lifeline of modern living. Without them, lights flicker out, phones go dead, and internet fades. Jamal's storm repair kept the hospital running. His new hookup powered a family's first night. They're the backbone of the grid, ensuring energy and connection reach us, no matter the odds. Midway through his career, the job description of a linesman proves its heft during a blizzard. Powers down across counties, Jamal's crew braves icy winds, restringing miles of line over 2 days. His steady hands bring heat back to shivering homes, underscoring the role's quiet heroism. Pathways and opportunities. Becoming a linesman starts with grit and basic quals, often a high school diploma, plus a driver's license. Many enter via apprenticeships, learning ropes over years, pole climbing, wiring, safety, under seasoned pros. Certifications, like electrical training or CDL, boost creds. Growth beckons. Jamal could rise to crew leader, supervisor, or specialize in high voltage grids. Skills, technical prowess, problem solving, transfer to roles like electrician or utility manager, offering a career arc from pole to office. How does context shape the role? The linesman's gig shifts by focus. Power linesmen chase volts, fixing outages or upgrading grids. Telecom linesmen chase signals, stringing fiber or repairing phone lines. Some do both, juggling juice and data. The core holds: install, maintain, repair. This versatility keeps the role pivotal across utilities. Technology's role: techs rewiring the trade. Jamal uses drones to scout damage, cutting climb time. Smart meters flag faults remotely, testers beat voltage from the ground. Bucket trucks lift higher, safer. Basic tech literacy, reading apps, wielding tools, is now key, easing grunt work but upping the learning curve. Conclusion: the linesman is the rugged heartbeat of our wired world, stitching power and connection into daily life. They climb, dig, and mend, often unseen, always vital. From Jamal's pole top fixes to countless grids, their work proves toughness meets purpose. This role, raw yet rewarding, powers us all, ripe for a story in words or on screen.